Hello everyone, I am Avinash Jadhav, teaching mathematics in Sant Tukaram National Model School, Latur. In today's video, dear children, I will explain the chapter Rational Numbers. The chapter Rational Numbers is there for class 7 as well as for class 8. In today's video, I will explain the chapter Rational Number for class 7. In this chapter, you will learn the following main concepts and sub-concepts. Concept number 1, rational number. In that, rational number, their definition, and two types of rational numbers are there, positive and negative rational numbers. Then concept number 2, that is properties of rational numbers. Then point number 3, that is standard form of rational number. Then equivalent rational numbers. Point number 5, comparison of rational numbers. Then how to represent a rational number on number line. And the final point, that is operations on rational numbers. Which operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division also. Those points you will learn in this topic. So first, the definition of rational number. A number is said to be rational number. When we have to tell it as a rational number, a number which can be expressed in the form of P by Q. P by Q in the sense numerator upon denominator. There are two conditions, and the most important condition is the denominator should not equal to 0. Most important, because we know if denominator will be 0, at that time number tends to infinity. The number tends to infinity, not defined. We cannot define. So, a number which can be expressed in the form of P by Q, Q must be non-zero only. Q should not equal to 0, first condition. Second condition, both numerator and denominator both should be integers only. Both should be integers only. Then and only then that number we can consider as a rational number. So dear students, what will be the definition of rational number? Any number or a number which can be expressed in the form of numerator and denominator. Numerator upon denominator, P by Q. With two conditions. With two conditions. Number 1, denominator should not be 0. Condition number 2, both numerator and denominator should be integers only. Some examples we may check here. Some examples are here. 3 by 4. 3 and 4 both are integers, which is in the form of 3 by 4 minus 5 by 8. Minus 5 by 8. Minus 5 is also integer. Then 7 by minus 5. Minus 5 upon minus 8, etc. So many examples. And as there are infinitely many integers, we will get infinitely many rational numbers also. So few points we should remember. Dear students. Which few points? Number 1, rational numbers are numbers that can be expressed as a ratio also. We can express rational number as a ratio. P upon Q is same as in the form of ratio as P is to Q. P is to Q means any rational number we can write in the form of ratio also. Since the denominator may be 1, denominator is 1, in that case we will get integers. We will get integer. Therefore, every integer we can consider as rational number. So, every integer we can consider as rational numbers. Any integer. And we already know every natural number is integer, every whole number is also integer, correct? So we can consider every natural number, every whole number, every integer, as well as every fractions. All these are also rational number only. So, dear children, keep in mind, every natural number is rational number, but every rational number may not be natural. Reverse or converse is not true. Converse is not true. Every natural number is rational number, no doubt. But every rational number may not be natural. Similarly, every whole number is rational number, but the converse is not true. Converse is not true means every rational number may not be whole number. Every rational number may not be integer. Every rational number may not be fraction also. So these points you should remember. So the remaining part of this chapter I will explain in next video. So in this video you will have learned regarding the definition of rational numbers and few points of rational number. Those points we should remember. Okay. So remaining part I will explain in next video. Thank you, dear children.